Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Cannizzaro reaction, cross-Cannizzaro. When an aldehyde lacking alpha hydrogens is treated with concentrated KOH, it undergoes the Cannizzaro reaction, disproportionation. In a cross-Cannizzaro reaction, an equimolar mixture of two different aldehydes both lacking alpha hydrogens reacts with concentrated KOH. Moving on to the next step. Identify the aldehydes. 4-methylbenzaldehyde, ARCHO, no alpha-H. Formaldehyde, HCHO, no alpha-H. Both lack alpha hydrogens, so the Cannizzaro reaction applies. Moving on to the next step. Understand the cross-Cannizzaro selectivity. In a cross-Cannizzaro reaction between formaldehyde and an aromatic aldehyde, formaldehyde preferentially acts as the hydride donor, reducing agent, because it is more reactive toward nucleophilic addition and is a better hydride source. Formaldehyde is oxidized to formate HCO-, which upon acidification gives formic acid, COO. The aromatic aldehyde, 4-methylbenzaldehyde, is reduced to the corresponding primary alcohol, 4-methylbenzyl alcohol, 4CH3C6H4CH2O. And for the final step, write the reaction. 4CH3C6H4CHO plus HCHO plus KOH 4CH3C6H4CH2O plus cook. After acidification, cook COO. So products are 4-methylbenzyl alcohol plus formic acid. Evaluate why other options fail. A. Aldol addition product, not possible since neither aldehyde has alpha hydrogens for enolization, so aldol condensation cannot occur. C. IChO or oxidation product, 4-methylbenzoic acid plus methanol would require a different mechanism. In cross-Cannizzaro, formaldehyde donates hydride, gets oxidized, not the aromatic aldehyde. D. Shows unreacted 4-methylbenzaldehyde ring with a CH2O group. This would imply intramolecular or partial reaction, not consistent with the cross-Cannizzaro outcome. Option B correctly shows 4-methylbenzyl alcohol plus COO, the products of the cross-Cannizzaro reaction between 4-methylbenzaldehyde and formaldehyde. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.